These tenants have been in there for a little while. So with the way rents have been going, very easy to up their rents. We should be able to get about $900 for the 2-1, $8.25 for the 1-1, right? So this thing will top out at $17.25 right now. Who knows what it's going to be in 5 years? Probably even more. All right, y'all, got a solid 2-family deal for you in Cleveland today. 10411 Jasper Road, okay? Coming to you just under 130 G's. We got 2 tenants already in there. One of the units is bigger than the other one. One's a 2-1, the other's a 1-1. We got a $750 payment coming out of the 2-1, a $740 out of the 1-1, so we're bringing in $1,490 a month currently, both of which are a little bit under market rent, right? These tenants have been in there for a little while, so with the way rents have been going, very easy to up their rents. We should be able to get about $900 for the 2-1, $8.25 for the 1-1, right? So this thing will top out at $17.25 right now. Who knows what it's going to be in 5 years? Probably even more, but definitely at the next tenant turnover, or not even tenant turnover, rather, just the next lease renewal, we can go ahead and increase those rents, right? Again, these folks been there a little while. The mechanicals on this thing, they're legit, man. Furnaces, pretty darn new. Hot water tank's new. Roof is in halfway decent condition. The only thing you would need to spend like a little bit of money on with this property, once you took it over, would be you'd have to get it re-lead certified. We went in and got it certified in 2022. But you got to continue to do it every 2 years. The current owner did not get it done, did not get it renewed in 2024, so that'd be something you, the buyer, would have to do. But don't worry, we make that as easy as humanly possible. We work with a company called PB Free, okay? You've probably seen their logo on the screen for the majority of this video. The owner there, his name is Zak, solid dude. Been working with him to help investors like you guys get your homes lead certified. And sometimes when you have a home, like when Cleveland first came out with this law, okay? First of all, just so you're all aware, this law is like a total clusterfuck, okay? Justin Bibb and, the members of the Cleveland City Council, no one's accusing those motherfuckers of being efficient, right? Like, I don't know if you guys have heard about the Cleveland fucking Browns, right? Has anybody heard of the Cleveland fucking Browns? You could just look at that whole fucking dumpster fire and how Bibb in the city of Cleveland handled that to know how they do business, right? But a few years ago, they come out with these new lead certification laws, and ever since they come out, man, they've been changing them this way, that way, this way, that way, this way. It's been a whole fucking mess. But at the very beginning, when you were getting homes certified for the very first time, because, again, there would be like 100-year-old homes that never had this before because it's a brand new law, like 4 or 5 years ago or whatever, it could have been a little expensive. But then after you get it knocked out and then you just have to continue to do the 2-year renewals, like, that's no big deal. Like, for instance, this particular property, okay, it's built in 1917. Lead paint has been outlawed since 1976, okay? So in 2022, we had it lead certified. Lead paint has been outlawed since 76. So what is 76 to 22? 86, 96, 2006, 2016, almost 50 years, right? So we got it certified in 2022. You can't find lead paint for the last 50 years. How in the hell there would somehow be a new lead issue between 2022 and today as I talk to you in 2025? Obviously not a case, right? So basically it's just Zak and his company doing some inspections and going over a bunch of bureaucratic bullshit. Very simple, very easy. It'll only be a few $100. Most likely you're not going to have any issues because, again, no fucking lead paint has been around between 2022 when it was certified as lead hazard safe and now, because that shit's been illegal for like 50 years. So Zak, he'll be able to take care of you, PB Free. And by the way, you could utilize them on all of your Cleveland rental properties. If you got the city of Cleveland jamming you up and you need help, reach out to PB Free. I'm going to put their contact info below. They'll be able to help you guys get all of your properties lead certified, not just the ones that you're buying from HoltonWise or working with HoltonWise on. They can help investors out there who have different property managers, or they can help people that are self-managing, right? So PB Free, hit them up. As far as buying this particular property, what you'll need to do is just send my team an offer, sales@HoltonWise.com. HoltonWise.com. If you want to pay cash, sweet. Include your proof of funds. You want to finance it, that's fine too. Include your pre-approval letter. But even before you do that, I'll tell you what. I've been popping the footage up, down, of our property tour. I really want you guys to get an exact idea of what you're buying. So before you even make that offer, stick around right now. I'm going to cut to the uncensored footage of that tour that my team took, and they're going to go through the whole house, the whole nooks and crannies, so you can see exactly what the home looks like. This ain't salesy, ain't a sales pitch. They're not salesmen. We're literally just like basically doing a video inspection because most of you are out of state, and I want you to see exactly what you're buying because, well, A, transparency is important to me, and like B, if like you get a false idea of what it is you're buying and then you go through the due diligence of getting your inspection and it's totally different than what you anticipated, I just wasted a whole bunch of my fucking time, and I ain't got time for that shit, bro. It's almost 5 o'clock. I need to fucking drink some goddamn beer. You know what I'm saying? So I can't be fucking around giving you guys fluff when I'm trying to fucking get the deals done and get to beer 30. So take a look at that footage, and then after that, send your offers to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. And again, reach out to PB Free and my guy Zak Burkons for any assistance you need on lead certification of any of your Cleveland properties, right? If Justin Bibb and the rest of the annoying fuckers in Cleveland City Council want to jam you up, he is there to help you out.
Boop. Here we go. We're here at... Can't see a lot of glare. Okay. So, front yard. This place is huge. 10411 Jasper. Was a big ass tree right here. Tree's gone. Back of the house. Hard to see. Extra support. Sign door for the back unit. Actually, I think that's the basement door, actually. That's the side door for the basement unit. Porch. Soffit. Big bay window.
Stop. Get out, Kiki.
We're all good.
Stop.
Kiki.
Kiki, watch out, baby.
Hey, hey. Kiki, come here.
She's just so excited.
She likes to say hi to everybody.
Oh, yeah.
He likes to say hi. You got me calling.
Typical.
He likes to, sorry, buddy. I'd be mad at me too.
I used to be a dog groomer, and I had that problem anytime I see a poodle. I just go
She.
Well, he's
He's a boy.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're just gonna do the quick walk through here, and then if you're able to pop it there.
I don't know, but the people that was doing fixing something for the upstairs.
I remember you mentioned
Put some kind of trap down there that is not working. Every morning I hear raccoons, and then sometimes I get those things on my porch, the possums.
Okay.
But I hear raccoons trying to come up through the heater.
Okay. Well, we'll see what we can find out.
So I don't know.
Yeah, I'll go look around down there too.
If you what's the next thing you recorded
Yeah, I was gonna say I remember this bathroom kind of being big. Window. Oh, there's the little laundry corner.
You got the basement key?
Yep, I'm ready.
You good?
Yep, this is the quickest part.
Yeah, this will be in and out.
The basement. Oh my god, he's slamming the door on me.
Stop.
The basement will be the longest part because I gotta I'm gonna go look for those traps, see if I can help you out. Oh god, what's a dungeon?
Oh, actually, I gotta lock it up. So look at least.
Yeah, that's fine. Look at hold on.
I know. Yeah, I never like this basement.
These fucking stuff. This is where people come to get murdered, dude.
Yeah. That's why she doesn't come down here. She told me flat out, she's like, oh, I don't go down here. But you know what? I don't blame her.
Any animals down here? Wow, it's like.
I think Glenn had to come down here though and put a smoke detector in
Yeah.
Section 8. I mean, honestly, other than cobwebs,
Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm looking.
not too bad.
Hold on a second. A lot of mayflies down here, though. Barely see it. I can't even stand up down here. Oh, you couldn't see that.
I forget there's a back room over there too.
I see it. It's just a drain pipe. It's not even a room.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can't even stand up down here, but there is.
No, I'm like Quasimodo over here. You know, Quasimodo predicted all this.
It's Nostradamus, you idiot.
Yeah, I don't even. I do gotta come over here though, because I gotta get this furnace. Oh god, what's going on? Hopefully that's good enough. Yeah, it's not even a room. It's just there's nothing down here at all.
Yeah, it's just literally. Wait, is there even hookups down here?
Yeah, they're on that wall.
Yeah, it's just hookups and breakers and shit.
Alright. We're good.
Hey, Common, just a heads up, but I got your voicemail and I kicked the charge out a couple of months, so you should be good to pay July.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.